Every couple at some stage or another want to know how to make a relationship work better. We all face up and downs in our relationship, and we often may look back and remember how happy we were when we first met our partner and wonder why we have relationship problems now. Whether we notice it or not, almost everything evolves in stages. Our individual lives can be divided into stages as we grow older, go to school, start work, and get involved in a serious long-term relationship or even marriage. These particular stages can also evolve into stages within themselves as you progress in each one. Our relationships are no different. There are 5 different stages of a relationship, and you will be able to make a relationship work better once you acknowledge where you've been, where you are now, and where you're going with your partner. Welcome to Lifestyle Therapy channel. Stay tuned. Number 1. The rose-colored glasses stage. The first of our stages of a relationship is probably the favorite for most people, and it's known by many names. You're head over heels in love with your partner, and he or she can do nothing wrong. You're perfect for each other. It could be called the rose-colored glasses stage because everything looks rosy. You both are so happy and think this wonderful feeling will last forever as you're on your best behavior and do sweet things for each other just because you can. It is very rare that you or your partner argue or fall out. Number 2. The disenchantment stage. Next comes the disenchantment stage. The rose-colored glasses are removed and you recognize that your partner is human and not as perfect as you first thought. Little habits that you did not notice before can become irritating. Romance is still there, but it is a little calmer. It's during this stage that common relationship problems can first arise. Communication between you and your partner becomes very important because you're asking yourself where the dream relationship went and what to do about it. Number 3. The panic stage. The panic stage is usually next in line as disappointment mounts and the relationship is not fun anymore. There are too many outside pressure with work, in-laws, money, and there may even be children on scene now. You resent the fact that your partner doesn't see the things the way you do. It's now that you really need to agree on how to make your relationship work between the two of you, because if the problems cannot be resolved in a nice way, many couples threaten to leave and end the relationship. Number 4. The strength stage. If you can make it to stage 3, you progress into the strength stage. Greater feelings of love and trust are felt as you feel more self-confident and your relationship becomes more peaceful and meaningful. The extreme intimacy has passed into more of a friendship as you each drift into your own hobbies and interests. Even though you have mastered how to have a relationship that is more calm and supportive, avoid the temptation to become bored and enjoy the happy relationship. Number 5. The love and commitment stage. The last of our stages of a relationship is probably the best as you accept your partner for what he or she is, with all their faults and irritating habits. This is known as the meaningful love and commitment stage. True love has developed and you're both committed to working on how to make your relationship work. You're no longer struggling for individuality, but functioning as a team that can enjoy life together.